In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto post your new listings to Facebook with Zapier. So in order to be able to do this, to post your new listings to Facebook with Zapier and it'll auto post for you, you need to have two things. You need to have a Zapier account. So you can see right here, I'm logged in to the Zapier account, and you need to have a Facebook page. So I'm logged into a Facebook client, one of my clients' sites, their Facebook page or Facebook, and I'm logged into their Facebook page. So I'm actually on his Facebook page. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the link while logged in the Zapier. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this link, and I'm going to go to Zapier, and I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, so I'm going to accept the invite and build the Zap. Now I'm just going to follow the instructions. So it right now says leave these settings as is and click continue. Let's see what it says when I hit continue. All right, so it's going to ask me to sign in to IDX featured listings. So I'm going to do that. Now it's asking me for my API key. So I am going to go into IDXBroker. So here you can see I'm logged into IDXBroker. I'm going to go to Access Control, and I'm going to grab my API key. All right, so it's copied, and I'm going to paste that here and click Yes, Continue. There we go. So now I'm going to go ahead and click Continue. All right, so we've done that. And we're going to test the trigger. So we're going to click here and test the trigger. Okay. Good. Looks correct. That looks correct. We'll go ahead and click continue. We need to go back here and click the plus sign. Facebook pages. So now we're going to choose Facebook pages here. And we're going to, let's make sure. Create page post. So we will create a page post. Now we're going to click continue, sign into Facebook pages. So now I've already signed into Facebook over here. So it's going to ask me to continue and then choose my page. And this is the page we want to do it with. So we'll hit next. Now let me make sure. Okay, we're just making sure. This is all for this one page, so that's good. So we'll hit done, and we'll hit OK. All right. So the next step, hit continue. Now we have to put our information in here. So choose value page. Choose our page. There it is. Message, city name, county name, full details URL. Oops. So we're going to put that, and put that, and then here we're going to put the whole URL. There it is right here. So And I'm going to, for this, I'm going to actually insert I want the whole address. I want total baths. So here I'm going to put the address first. And I'm going to go back up to the top and put the city. And the state. And I really do want the price. So let's see if I can get price. There it is. All right, so now I have everything that I want in here. And the link URL. So new property for sale, address, city, state, square footage, bedrooms, bathrooms, and I don't know if I can move those. Nope, I can't. So we'll leave it as square footage, bedrooms, bathrooms, listing price, remarks, all in there. And we'll hit continue. And that's going to show us what it looks like. And we definitely want to edit that. So I really do want to edit the post here. I don't want it to have the square footage. All right, so let's try that again. All right, we're gonna go ahead and customize this a little bit more. All right, so I'm just giving it some spaces in between. Now we'll continue again. And now we're gonna go ahead and turn on the Zap. Make sure that I did everything right. There we go. So we're all good, and that's it. Now I just have to save it. It's on. And let's go back to my Zaps. And there it is. So I have it. It's all set. Let's look at this page. We're going to view as a visitor. And there it is. So I'm going to delete this one. We don't want that because I tested it. And I don't want this one. Oop, nope, I do. That's good. Notice how our previous ones were new listing. So I can actually come back and I can edit this Zap. There we go. So now let's refresh again. And there it is. And we're going to go ahead and make sure nobody liked this. Delete this post. And we're going to delete this post. Nope, this one's good. Okay, so here's our new listing with all the information and the link, and it'll automatically post every time there's a new listing, so you don't have to do it. And that's it. So that's how you set up the Facebook to, or rather your new listings from IDXBroker to your Facebook page. If you have any questions about it, feel free to give us a call, 517-917-0582, or shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com.
Yeah, pero, yeah. Pull! Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Ah.